I'm Sally, I'm a garden designer based in Rutland, and I'm standing in this lovely Larkfleet Homes garden, and I'm here to talk today about when and how to feed your plants. I know it can appear really confusing. You go to the garden centre and they've got shelves and shelves of different fertilisers. What do you use? When do you use it? Really, it's quite simple. The bigger plants in your garden, such as these box balls, roses, bigger shrubs, you want to really feed them in the spring, so March, April time. I normally use a handful of chicken manure pellets. You just fling them on the ground and there you go. And in roses you can feed again after they've flowered the first time. With containers in the garden, such as this one of tomatoes and basil that I potted up earlier, you probably want to put some fertiliser in when you're planting it up. This is just a really good general purpose fertiliser you could use. And then through the summer you can feed them every couple of weeks with a liquid fertiliser. You just water it in when you're watering them. And then you've got a lot more tomatoes or flowers. The other thing I'm often asked about is box blight. So one thing you can do is if you feed your box plants, they'll be healthier and they'll fight off any box blight or any diseases more efficiently. This one you water on every month or so between about March and September, and it'll really help to keep your box healthy. Anyway, happy gardening.